Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of drones. We're going to unpack 20 essential facts about drones, covering everything from the basics to more complex topics like regulations and advancements in drone technology. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get right into it. All right, let's start with the basics. What exactly a drone? In simple terms, a drone is an unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV for short. These drones can be controlled remotely, like a high-tech remote-controlled airplane, but here's the even cooler part. Drones can also operate autonomously. They can fly and navigate all by themselves using pre-programmed flight plans and software. So we know what drones are, but what are they actually for? The applications are growing every day. One of the most popular uses is aerial photography and videography. Drones have completely changed the game when it comes to capturing stunning footage from the sky. We're talking surveillance, package delivery, agriculture, search and rescue operations, even military applications. The possibilities seem almost endless. Now, you might hear the terms drone and UAV used interchangeably, and you'd mostly be right. But there is a slight technical distinction. UAV stands for Unmanned Aerial Vehicle, which describes any aircraft without a human pilot. Drones are A of UAV, specifically referring to those that are remotely controlled or fly autonomously. But to make things even more confusing, drone has become the more common term, even when talking about UAVs in general. Have you ever wondered how these things stay up in the air and fly so smoothly? It's actually pretty amazing. Drones use sensors and onboard technology for stable flight. Gyroscopes measure orientation, accelerometers detect speed changes, and GPS ensures precise positioning. The flight controller processes all this data, making fast adjustments to the rotors, keeping the drone perfectly balanced. When you picture a drone in your head, you're probably picturing a quadcopter. Quadcopter have 4 rotors, hence the name quad. This configuration gives them inherent stability and makes them incredibly maneuverable. They can hover in place, zip through the air, and even perform some pretty slick aerial acrobatics. They're like the all-rounders of the drone world, great for beginners and pros alike. Let's talk about one of the coolest aspects of drone flying, FPV, or first-person view. Imagine seeing the world from the drone's perspective, soaring through the air. The drone sends a live video feed to a display screen, viewed through special goggles or a VR headset. It's like stepping into a video game, but real. This immersive experience is a game changer for drone enthusiasts. So you might be thinking drones are awesome, but do I need a wide open space to fly one? Well, the answer is it depends. There are plenty of smaller drones specifically designed for indoor flight. These are usually more lightweight and agile, perfect for zipping around your living room or even pulling off some cool tricks. But a word of caution, flying indoors requires a different level of control and awareness. Before launching your drone, understand the rules and regulations. These vary by location, so research. Register your drone if required, especially if it's heavy. Know where you can fly, avoiding no-fly zones. Respect altitude limits. Most drones max at 400 feet. Safety first. Remember those sci-fi movies where packages arrive at your doorstep via flying robots? Well, the future is closer than you think thanks to drone delivery services. Companies like Amazon and Google are already testing out drone delivery systems using UAVs to transport packages directly to customers. This technology has the potential to revolutionize logistics, making deliveries faster, cheaper, and more efficient. And it's not just limited to packages. We're talking medical supplies, food deliveries, you name it. One common question people have is how long can these things stay up in the air? Well, the answer, like most things drone-related, is it depends. The average flight time for a consumer drone on a single battery charge is somewhere between 15 and 30 minutes. Of course, factors like wind conditions, payload weight, and flying style can all impact that. But for most recreational users, those 15 to 30 minutes are precious flying time. How high can drones actually go? Limits keep our airspace safe and organized. Most consumer drones max out at 400 to 500 feet. This is a common regulation set by aviation authorities. For enthusiasts, lower altitudes offer plenty of room to explore. Drones have become synonymous with breathtaking aerial photography, and for good reason. They offer a perspective that was previously impossible to achieve without expensive equipment or chartered flights. Photography drones are designed with specific features to elevate your aerial imagery. We're talking high-resolution cameras, often capable of shooting 4K video and capturing raw photos for maximum editing flexibility. And to keep those shots buttery smooth, gimbal stabilization is key, counteracting any unwanted movement. Drones are revolutionizing the way we grow food. Farmers use drones to monitor crop health and optimize irrigation. They also spray fertilizers and pesticides accurately. The data collected helps identify stress areas, track growth, and increase yields. It's like having a bird's-eye view of your farm. One of the most impressive advancements in drone technology is obstacle avoidance. These sensors, which can use infrared, ultrasonic, or even LiDAR technology, allow drones to see obstacles in their path and adjust their flight accordingly. This is a game changer for safety, especially for beginners who are still getting comfortable with the controls. It's like having a co-pilot on board, constantly scanning the environment and making sure you don't run into anything. If you thought drones were just for taking pretty pictures or delivering packages, think again. The world of drone racing is a thing of beauty, a testament to speed, agility, and precision flying. Racing drones are built differently. They're smaller, lighter, and way faster than your average camera drone. We're talking speeds of over 100 miles per hour, zipping through obstacle courses with incredible precision. Imagine a fleet of drones, all working together in perfect synchronization, like a swarm of bees with a common purpose. That's what drone swarming is all about, and it's a glimpse into the future of coordinated robotics. Multiple drones communicate with each other and with a central control system, allowing them to perform complex tasks as a team. It's like a hive mind in action, and it's pretty amazing to see. In times of crisis, drones have emerged as invaluable tools for disaster response and relief efforts. Their ability to access hard-hit areas quickly and safely makes them ideal for assessing damage, locating survivors, and even delivering essential supplies. Drones can provide a lifeline, giving first responders a real-time view of the situation from above. They can help search for missing persons, identify areas in need of immediate assistance, and even deliver medical supplies or food to those who are stranded. So far, we've mostly talked about drones flying within the pilot's line of sight, but what about flying beyond visual line of sight, or BVLOS? That's where things get really interesting, but also more complex in terms of regulations and technology. BVLOS flight opens up a whole new world of possibilities for drones, from long-range inspections of infrastructure to package delivery over extended distances. The world of drones is constantly evolving, with new advancements and applications emerging all the time. Artificial intelligence, or AI, will play a major role. We're talking about drones becoming even more autonomous, capable of navigating complex environments, making decisions on the fly, and even learning from their experiences. And let's not forget about the potential for drone taxis and personal air vehicles, the stuff of science fiction, slowly becoming a reality. Whether you're dreaming of capturing cinematic footage, racing drones for glory, or even piloting drones for a living, there's a learning curve involved. First and foremost, you need to master the basics of drone control, understanding how to maneuver the aircraft smoothly and safely. Then there's navigation, using GPS and other tools to plan flights and fly to specific locations. And of course, a strong understanding of aviation regulations and airspace safety is crucial. That's a wrap on our deep dive into the world of drones. We've covered the basics of what drones are and how they work, and the incredible ways they're used in various industries. Hopefully, you learned something new and feel inspired to explore drones yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.